The death of the digital nomad. Is the age of the digital nomad over? Once upon a time, the idea of being a digital nomad was the ultimate dream. Picture this: working from a tropical beach, sipping coffee in a bustling city, or catching sunsets in remote mountain towns. It was all about freedom, adventure, and breaking away from the 9-to-5 grind. But now, whispers are growing louder. Some say the golden age of the digital nomad is fading. In recent years, the rise of remote work had opened new doors, allowing people to travel while maintaining their jobs. However, factors like rising costs of living, global uncertainties, and changing work cultures are making the dream harder to sustain. As more remote workers settle down for job security, living cost pressures increase in popular nomad spots, making them less accessible. Cities that once welcomed digital nomads are now becoming overpriced. "I love traveling, but it got too expensive to keep bouncing from city to city," one nomad might say. "Now I'm grounded, trying to stabilize my income." But could this spell the end of the digital nomad lifestyle? Not necessarily. Instead, it's evolving. More people are transitioning to hybrid lifestyles, embracing flexible work arrangements while also investing in their communities. It's not about abandoning the dream, but redefining what it means. Maybe the death of the digital nomad isn't a farewell at all. It's a chance to redefine freedom against the backdrop of tomorrow's realities. Are you ready to explore this new frontier with us? Let us know in the comments. Are you sad about the shift, or are you excited about the new possibilities? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our journey into the future.